Hello friends and students. Once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video we are going to see the solution of examples on polar and Cartesian coordinate. This is video part 4, belongs to the trigonometry, fundamental identity, which is according to the State Board syllabus of Maharashtra. So we shall start with how to convert the polar coordinate into Cartesian coordinate and Cartesian coordinate into polar coordinate. The first type of example is find the Cartesian coordinate of a point whose polar coordinates are given. In this example, the polar coordinates are given. You have to find its Cartesian coordinate. So first example is number 1. Here it is polar coordinate. So this is r theta, where r is equal to 3 by 4 and theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. We know the relation between polar coordinate and Cartesian coordinate. Here x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. R is 3 by 4 and theta is 3 pi by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 4 cos of 3 pi by 4. And y is equal to 3 pi by 4 sin of 3 pi by 4. It is equal to 3 pi by 4 cos of bracket. Here 3 means 4 pi minus pi divided by 4. Y is equal to 3 pi by 4 sin of 4 pi minus pi divided by 4. It is equal to 3 pi by 4 cos of, we divide by 4, so it is pi minus pi by 4. And y is equal to 3 by 4 sin of pi minus pi by 4 is equal to 3 pi by 4 cos 180 minus theta. It is in the second quadrant, and second quadrant cos is negative, so it is minus, cos remains the cos, so it is cos of pi by 4. And y is equal to 3 pi by 4. It is pi minus pi by 4 is second quadrant, sign remains the sign, and sign is positive in the second quadrant, so it is sin of pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 upon under root 2 and y is equal to 3 by 4. Sin pi by 4 is also 1 upon under root 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 4 under root 2 and y is equal to 3 upon 4 under root 2. Therefore, minus 3 4 upon 2 and 3 upon 4 under root 2 are the Cartesian coordinates of the point whose polar coordinates are 3 by 4, 3 pi by 4. See another example, number 2, 1/2 7 pi by 3. 1/2 7 pi by 3, comparing with the polar coordinate r theta. R is equal to 1 upon 2 and theta is equal to 7 pi by 3. 7 pi by 3 is equal to 8 pi minus pi divided by 3. So it is 6 pi plus pi divided by 3. It is 6 pi upon 3 plus pi by 3. So it is 2 pi plus pi by 3. Therefore, we know that x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta are the relation between Cartesian and polar coordinates. Therefore, x is equal to r is 1 half cos of 7 pi by 3 means 2 pi plus pi by 3, and y is equal to r is 1 half sin of 2 pi plus pi by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1 half cos of 2 pi plus pi by 3. So, 2 pi plus pi by 3 is coterminal angles with pi by 3. The trigonometric ratios of coterminal angles are same. That is 2 pi plus pi by 3 is same as pi by 3 cos of pi by 3, and y is equal to 1 half sin of pi by 3. So, x is equal to 1 half cos of pi by 3 is 1 half and y is equal to 1 half into sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 4 and y is equal to root 3 by 4. Therefore, 1 by 4 root 3 by 4 are Cartesian coordinates of the polar coordinate of the point whose polar coordinate are 1 by 2, 7 pi by 3. Now we shall see how to convert a Cartesian coordinate into a polar coordinate of a point. The example, find the polar coordinates of a point whose Cartesian coordinates are number 1 root 2 square root 2. Number 1, we are given a Cartesian coordinate, that is this is equal to xy. X is equal to under root 2, y is equal to under root 2. Therefore, we know that r is equal to under root of x square plus y square. Therefore, r is equal to under root of root 2 square is 2, root 2 square is 2, so it is under root of 4, so it is 2. Therefore, r is equal to 2. Now, tan of theta is equal to y upon x. Y is 1 upon y is under root 2 and x is under root 2, so this is 1. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 1. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 4. Now, the given coordinate of a point are positive. Therefore, it is in first quadrant. Therefore, the point root 2 being positive, both are positive, lies in first quadrant. Therefore, its polar coordinates are 1 pi by 4. Example number 2, 1 minus root 3. It is the Cartesian coordinate. Therefore, comparing with xy, x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus root 3. Therefore, we know that r is equal to under root of x square plus y square is equal to under root of 1 square is 1 plus minus under root 3 square is 3. So, is under root of 4, it is equal to 2. So, we get r is equal to 2. And tan theta is equal to y upon x. Y is minus under root 3 upon 1 is minus under root 3. Therefore, tan theta is equal to minus root 3 is equal, we know that it is minus tan pi by 3. Therefore, which is equal to tan theta is equal to minus root 3 is equal to tan 2 pi minus pi by 3 by allied angles formula. Since tan of 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, using this, so this is, therefore tan of theta is equal to tan 6 minus 1, that is 5 pi by 3. Therefore, theta is equal to 5 pi by 3. Therefore, we got the theta and r is equal to 2. Therefore, it is in fourth quadrant. Therefore, the polar coordinates of the given point are 2, 5 pi by 3. Now, third example, minus 1, minus 1. Comparing with xy, the Cartesian coordinate of the point xy, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, r is equal to under root of x square plus y square. It is equal to minus 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, under root 2. So, r is equal to under root 2. We get one relation. Now, tan of theta is y upon x minus 1 upon minus 1, it is 1. So, tan theta is equal to 1. Now, both are negative. X is negative, y is negative. So, it is belongs to the third quadrant where tan is negative. X is negative, y is negative, tan is positive. So, angle in the point lies in the third quadrant. X axis, y axis, origin. So, angle is greater than 180 degree. Therefore, it is equal to tan of pi plus pi by 4. Tan of pi is equal to 1. Therefore, it is equal to tan of 5 pi by 4. Therefore, theta is equal to 5 pi by 4. Therefore, the polar coordinate of the given point r is under root 2 and theta is 5 pi by 4. Last example number 4. Under root 3, 1. This is the Cartesian coordinate. So comparing with xy, x is equal to minus root 3, y is equal to 1. Therefore, r is equal to under root of x square plus y square is equal to minus root 3 square is 3 and 1 square is 1. So 3 plus 1, it is 4. Under root of 4 is 2. So r is equal to 2. Now tan theta is equal to y upon x. Y is 1 and x is minus root 3. So it is minus 1 upon root 3. So tan theta is equal to minus 1 upon root 3 gives minus tan of pi by 6, that is 30 degree. By now the point minus root 3 1, that is x is negative, y is positive. That therefore the point lies in second quadrant. X axis, y axis. Here x is negative and y is positive. So point lies in first quadrant. So angle is allied angle formula. We have take pi minus pi by 6. So this is equal to tan of pi minus pi by 6 is equal to tan of 6 minus 1, 5 pi by 6. Therefore, theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. So we get r is equal to 2 and theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. Therefore, the polar coordinate of the given point are 2, 5 pi by 6. In this way, we find the polar coordinate of a point whose Cartesian coordinates are given. Thanking you for watching my video.